Scalar product or dot product. If the product of two vectors gives a scalar quantity, then the product is called scalar product. Mathematically, we can write A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Here A and B are the magnitude of vectors A and B. Theta is the angle between them. Physical interpretation. Dot product of two vectors is equal to the product of the magnitude of one vector and the component of second vector in the direction of first vector. From the figure, A dot B is equal to magnitude of vector A into projection of B on A. A dot B is equal to A into magnitude of component of B along A. A dot B is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B cos theta. Similarly, B dot A is equal to magnitude of vector B into projection of A on B. B dot A is equal to B into magnitude of component of A along B. B dot A is equal to BA cos theta. Vector B, projection of A on B. Examples. Work is a scalar product of force and displacement. Here F cos phi is a component of force F and D is a displacement. Power is a scalar product of force and velocity. P is equal to F dot V. Characteristics of scalar product. Scalar product of two vectors is commutative. Explanation. If A and B are two vectors and theta is the angle between them, then A dot B is equal to AB cos theta and B dot A is equal to B into A cos theta. Since AB is equal to BA, so B dot A is equal to AB cos theta. It means A dot B is equal to B dot A. So commutative law holds in scalar product. Perpendicular vectors. The scalar product of two mutually perpendicular vectors is 0, as we know that cos 90 is equal to 0. So A dot B is equal to 0. In case of unit vectors, I dot j is equal to magnitude of vector I is 1, magnitude of vector j is 1, cos 90 is 0, so I dot j is equal to 0. Similarly, we can say this I dot j, j dot k, k dot I is equal to 0. Parallel and anti-parallel vectors. The scalar product of two vectors, parallel vectors, theta is 0 is equal to the product of their magnitude. A dot B is equal to A B cos 0, as we know that cos 0 is equal to 1, so A dot B is equal to AB. This is a positive maximum value of scalar product. Similarly, if theta is equal to 180, if the two vectors are anti-parallel, then A dot B is equal to AB cos 180. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Then A dot B is equal to minus AB. This product gives the negative maximum value. Here vector A and B are parallel, and here the vectors A and B are anti-parallel. Self-scalar product. The scalar product of vector is equal to the square of its magnitude, as A dot A is equal to vector A magnitude cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1, A into A is equal to A square. In the case of unit vectors, I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J is equal to 1 and K dot K is equal to 1. Scalar product in terms of rectangular components. Consider two vectors A and B in space as A is equal to AXI plus AYJ plus AZK. and b is equal to bxi plus byk plus bzk. Scalar product is equal to ax bx plus ay by and az bz. As we know that I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1 and k dot k is equal to 1, and I dot j, k dot k and k dot I is equal to 0. So in this derivation, after this a dot b is equal to this one. So a dot b is equal to ab cos theta is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Cos theta is equal to this one, so theta is equal to cos inverse ax bx plus ay by plus az bz over ab. This result can be used to find angle between the two vectors.